If you don't understand crypto but want to start trading, this is for you. In just 11 minutes, I'll show you how to start trading crypto the right way, even if you've never invested a dime before. No experience needed. Let's go. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Thinking about trading crypto but have no idea where to start? You're not alone. With Bitcoin, Ethereum, and literally hundreds, if not thousands of other coins making headlines, it's incredibly easy to feel like you're drowning in information before you even dip a toe in the water. But don't worry, we're going to cut through all that noise today. I'm breaking it all down into simple, actionable steps just for you so you can actually understand what's going on. Hey everyone, welcome back to Alfonso with Money Smart Basics, your go-to spot for beginner-friendly finance and investing tips that actually make sense. My goal here is to give you the real deal, no fluff. Today we're diving deep into a topic that's got everyone talking how you can start trading crypto. And I mean, even if you've never bought a single coin in your life, even if the word blockchain makes your head spin, we're going from zero to okay, I get this now. Let's get you started safely and most importantly smartly, because trust me, there are a lot of ways to lose money if you're not careful. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process A to Z. We'll cover what crypto trading, even how to pick a safe place to trade, the absolute essentials of keeping your investment secure, this is a big one, understanding those confusing charts, how to start small, stay informed in this crazy fast market, and crucially, how to avoid the scams and hype that trap so many new traders. By the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap. So grab a coffee, maybe a notepad, and let's get into it. Alright, so first things first. What even is crypto trading? It's the act of buying and selling digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. You're speculating on their price movements to make a profit. The market is open 24/7, so things can change quickly. There are two main approaches: short-term trading and long-term hodling. Short-term trading involves quick profits from small price movements. Hodling is holding assets long-term, believing in their future potential. Okay, so you understand what crypto trading is, at least the basics. Now where do you actually it? You need a crypto exchange. Think of an exchange as the New York Stock Exchange or a Charles Schwab for cryptocurrencies. It's an online platform, usually an app or a website, where you can buy, sell, and sometimes store your digital coins. This is your gateway into the crypto market, so choosing the right one is a pretty big deal. And let me tell you, not all exchanges are created equal. There are hundreds out there, and some are fantastic, user-friendly, and secure, while others, well, not so much. Some have high fees that will eat into your potential profits. Some have terrible customer service, and some have questionable security practices. So, you really need to do a little bit of homework here. Don't just sign up for the first one you see in an ad. For beginners, there are a few exchanges that are generally well regarded because they balance ease of use with decent security and a good selection of coins. One of the most popular ones, especially in the US, is Coinbase. Its biggest selling point is its super simple, clean interface. It's very intuitive, making it really easy for someone brand new to crypto to make their first purchase without feeling overwhelmed. The fees can be a bit higher than some competitors, but for many, the ease of use is worth it initially. Then you have Binance. Binance is one of the largest exchanges in the world by trading volume, and for good reason. It generally offers lower trading fees compared to Coinbase, especially if you use their own BNB coin to pay for fees. It also has a massive selection of cryptocurrencies, way more than Coinbase typically lists. Securing your investment is crucial. Crypto's big selling point is decentralization, being your own bank, but it comes with massive responsibility. Exchanges can be targets for hackers. Set up two-factor authentication or 2FA. Now let's talk about wallets. There are hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are for frequent trading. Cold wallets are best for long-term holding. Let's talk about something that often looks like a foreign language to beginners' crypto charts. You open up an exchange and you see these lines and bars going up and down, and it can be super intimidating. But here's the deal. These charts are just telling a story. They're a visual representation of the battle between buyers and sellers. Learning to read even the basics of a chart can help you make more informed decisions. A little knowledge here can save you a lot of money and heartache. The most common type of chart you'll see is a candlestick chart. Each candle represents a specific time period. A green candle means the price closed higher than it opened. A red candle means the price closed lower than it opened. The main body shows the open and close price, while the wicks show the highest and lowest prices. Two fundamental concepts are support and resistance. A support level is a price point where a downtrend can pause or reverse. Conversely, a resistance level is a price point where an uptrend can pause or reverse. Okay, we're making good progress. You know what crypto is, where to trade, and how to secure it. Now, let's talk strategy. Start small and create a game plan. This is where the rubber meets the road. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically. Don't use your emergency fund or rent money. Think of it as risk capital. If it all went to zero, it shouldn't derail your life. This mindset helps you trade rationally. Start with a small budget, like $50 or $100. Your goal is to learn the process and understand market dynamics. Think of this initial investment as your crypto education. Decide on your goal before trading. Are you looking for quick profits, swing trading, or long-term holding? Your strategy will influence your coin choices. A strategy provides rules for entering and exiting trades. The crypto market moves at an absolutely blistering pace. It's not like the traditional stock market where things often evolve slowly. In crypto, a new trend can emerge, a coin can pump 1000%, or major news can break that shifts the entire market sentiment, all within a matter of days or even hours. So, staying informed isn't just a good idea, it's pretty much essential if you want to navigate this space successfully and avoid getting caught off guard. So, how do you keep up? First, make it a habit to follow reputable crypto news sources. Websites like CoinDesk and Cointelegraph are industry staples. They provide daily updates on market movements, new project developments, regulatory news, and in-depth analysis. Reading a few key articles each day can give you a much better sense of the overall pulse of the market. Just be mindful of potential biases and always try to get information from multiple sources. Of course, YouTube channels, hopefully like this one you're watching right now, can be fantastic resources for breaking down complex topics, offering tutorials, and providing different perspectives. However, a word of caution, always do your own research. You'll hear the acronym DIOR a lot in crypto. Don't just blindly follow what one person says, no matter how convincing they sound. Cross-reference information and form your own opinions. A core characteristic of crypto that you need to internalize is its volatility. Prices can, and do, make huge swings in both directions. While the prospect of massive gains is what attracts many people, you have to be equally prepared for the possibility of significant losses, especially in the short term. This isn't meant to scare you, but to prepare you mentally. Don't panic sell during a dip if your long-term conviction hasn't changed. And don't get overly euphoric during a pump. Emotional stability is key. One of the biggest external factors that can impact the crypto market is regulation. This last chapter is all about protecting yourself. Because let's be honest, where there's money to be made, especially in a new and sometimes confusing space like crypto, there will inevitably be scammers and opportunists trying to take advantage of people. The crypto world, unfortunately, has more than its fair share of these. But by being aware of the common traps, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim. First off, be extremely wary of meme coins that have no clear utility, no solid development team, and seem to exist purely for speculation or get-rich-quick schemes. If a coin is being promoted with promises of guaranteed 100 times returns, or the next Dogecoin to make you a millionaire overnight, your alarm bells should be ringing very, very loudly. While some meme coins have had spectacular, albeit often short-lived pumps, many more go to zero, leaving latecomers holding worthless bags. Remember, Dogecoin literally started as a joke. A very common scam you'll see, especially on social media platforms like Twitter, YouTube comments, and Telegram, is the fake giveaway. It usually involves impersonating a well-known figure like Elon Musk or a crypto exchange CEO or a project, and promising to send you back double or triple the crypto you send them. For example, send 1 ETH to this address and we'll send you 2 ETH back. This is always a scam. Nobody is giving away free crypto like that. They're just trying to get you to send them your coins, which you will never see again. Then there are pump and dump groups. These are often organized on platforms like Telegram or Discord. The organizers will hype up a specific, usually low-cap and obscure coin. They coordinate a time for everyone in the group to buy it simultaneously, which artificially inflates the price, the pump. The organizers, who bought in earlier at a much lower price, then sell their holdings at the inflated price, the dump, causing the price to crash dramatically. Everyone else who bought in during the pump is left with massive losses. Avoid these groups like the plague. Be incredibly skeptical of influencers, especially on YouTube, TikTok, or Twitter, who suddenly start aggressively promoting obscure, low-quality coins. And there you have it. You now have the blueprint, the foundational knowledge to start trading crypto as a complete beginner. We've covered a lot, from understanding what crypto trading actually is, to picking an exchange, securing your coins, super important, the basics of chart reading, starting small with a strategy, staying informed, and avoiding those nasty scams. The key, moving forward, is to stay patient with yourself. Commit to keep learning because this space is always evolving, and always aim to trade smart, not based on emotion or hype. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you did, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button. It really helps the channel out and tells YouTube that this is valuable content. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe for more beginner-friendly financial tips and crypto guides just like this one. My goal is to empower you with the knowledge you need to win. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here's the bonus tip that we promised. New to crypto? Let's make it secure. Choose beginner-friendly platforms like Coinbase or Binance, and remember, always enable two-factor authentication. Safety first. Secure your wallet before making that first trade. Happy trading. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.